me.
Okay, let's keep going.
Go, go, go.
Okay, so this looks hard. Large.
This is their hand, one of their hand carved hooks. So
I'm
pretty.
really excited about this. Oh my word.
So pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and I see a K here. Is that the size?
Yes.
Nice. I'm gonna learn these things.
You can Google, so it's like a 6.5 millimeter.
Okay. Awesome. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And again, it's so comfortable. Yep. Okay, yeah, I feel like honestly it's perfect. Like, I didn't realize that there were different, like,
yes.
all this, there's so much to learn. Oh, but yeah, it's so comfortable.
Yes.
And then I feel like when something is this pretty, like, and it's kind of inspiring too. Like, you're just like, oh,
right?
I feel more creative.
Right?
Yeah.
I can't wait to crochet
Right?
so I can just hold this hook in my hand.
Right?